Peace, everybody. It's the grand scheme of crypto back at you once again with another video. This time we're going to be talking about top 10 altcoins to watch in 2025 crypto bull run. Nothing said there is financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Let's jump right into it. So, story highlights. Institutional investors are increasingly interested in altcoins driven by their potential for growth and real-world utility. Top altcoins gaining institutional attention include Hyperliquid, Athena, ENA, and Virtuals Protocol, and others. The crypto market is poised for an altcoin season with Bitcoin's dominance declining and factors like Trump's win favoring altcoins. The crypto market is alive, so we won't read verbatim. But I just wanted to give you guys those story highlights. So very interesting stuff here. We have the Bitcoin halving cycles insights. Um, Someone named Dan Moorhead anticipates that Bitcoin could soar $117,000. I have no idea who that is, nor do I really care. But yeah, that seems around in line with what I'm thinking as well, especially with the with the halving happening in 2024. And I mean, I'm quite surprised by this list of altcoins that the institutions are watching. I know I saw some of these on Grayscale's top 20 crypto list, which you see here. I saw another article which featured some of Grayscale's tokens. But this article is something that was released kind of after I had saw that. So let's jump into the actual tokens here. So Hyperliquid. So what is it? So Hyperliquid is actually a DEX or decentralized exchange designed for perpetual futures. Okay, so it's a fully on-chain order book backed by strategic partnerships recently added to Grayscale's top 20 list. So it had over $12 billion in trading volume in December alone, with $8.6 million in revenue. Then we have Athena or ENA. Now, Athena's USDE stablecoin is backed by hedged positions in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it offers yield through staking. So its alignment with the pro stablecoin regulations make it a standout pick for institutions. So ENA is currently trading at $1.07 with a rise of 16% this week. So this is more along the lines of um, a pro regulation stable coin. If you're or a coin that is aligned um, with the stablecoin regulations, right? So this isn't actually a stablecoin, but I believe it has a USDE backed stablecoin or Athena's USDE stablecoin. So yeah, this is Athena token is something separate. They also have a USDE stablecoin. If I have that correct. If you know more about that, drop something down in the comments. But that's I haven't done much research on Athena. This is my first time kind of really seeing it. Virtuous Protocol. Now built on Ethereum's Layer 2 network, Virtuous Protocol enables the creation of tokenized AI agents capable of autonomous tasks. This cutting-edge platform is leading the charge in integrating with AI with blockchain. Now, before we proceed, let me actually open up my trading view because I do want to get some of these tokens and look at them on the charts. Then we have Jupiter, right? This is the top DEX aggregator on Solana. Boasts the highest total value locked on the network. So with Solana gaining traction, Jupiter, like I said, it's also going to be a token that move as the network goes up. As Solana goes up, and moves up in price, these tokens on Solana will also move up. So just something to keep in mind. We also have Jito, which is a liquid staking protocol on Solana. Jito has demonstrated impressive growth, over $550 million in revenue in 2024. So that's very good. I wasn't able to find out where to buy Jito. I believe you would buy it on maybe like Radium, but I was looking for it, wasn't able to find it, so I have to do some more research there. Toncoin, and this is backed by Telegram. Toncoin is gaining attention for its ecosystem of decentralized applications or dApps and its utility as a payment solution with Telegram's vast user base. Now, Ton is a newer coin and it's very huge with Ton having so many users and monthly. And so Ton is one that I'm bullish on for this cycle. Solana, known for its scalability and low transaction costs, Solana continues to attract institutional interest, especially with its growing ecosystem of dApps and DeFi projects. Now, Solana is a no-brainer. I see Solana going to 500 to $1,000 this cycle, so I'm definitely holding Solana and playing around on the ecosystem. Of course, in meme coins, you all know about that. A lesser-known gem, ONDO protocol or ONDO focuses on financial derivatives. offering unique tools for hedging and trading. Its innovative approach is catching the eye of institutional players. So Ondo protocol, first time I'm hearing about Ondo, not really something I'm into. I haven't checked out the market cap of that one, but yeah, definitely want to look out for. And then also Chainlink, a veteran in the space. Now Chainlink is one that I'm holding on to this bull run. I want to say this is my pick for the bull run of 2025 because it's a veteran in the space. I used to trade it back in the day on Abra. So if you know about Abra, you know you're a veteran too, but Chainlink remains the top choice for its role in powering DeFi and smart contracts through reliable Oracle services. Chainlink is pretty much powering a lot of the things that you guys use today. So let's now go through some of these charts here. So we have ENA. Let's take a look at ENA, Athena. See if it's on here. Yeah, I believe it should be. I'm not sure if it's on by then. This might not be the right one. So $1.28. I believe they had ENA sitting at on this $1.07. So yeah, it looks like it's moved up quite a bit since then from its $1.07. So this article is a bit old, I want to say. So let me just double check this. This article is January 3rd, so this was yesterday, the 3rd. So yeah, it was $1.07. So yeah, it just popped up. So you can see based off this news. I mean, not based off this news, but you can see how quickly things move in crypto. So ENA is already up. Let's see, from $1.07. Take a look here. From $1.07, ENA is up another 16%. From $1.07. Sure what it is. From $1.07. Yeah, it's up about 20% actually. 19, 20%. So, yeah, like, you guys have to move quickly in the crypto space. I mean, ENA is definitely moving. Also sitting on about to pretty much break its all-time high, I want to say, and then it'll be in what price discovery. So definitely, one to watch out for. I wouldn't, this is not financial advice, of course, but, we get a close here. This is the hourly. Let's zoom out a bit. Zoom out a bit, zoom out a bit. If we get a close, oh, that thing shot up. Wow. Crazy. This is when you buy. This is when you want to buy right here. The second you be up, not humongous, but you be up. You're gonna get about 50%. I mean, come on, you gotta buy this, guys. So 44%. It's up. What was I looking at? Oh yeah, if we get closed above this level here, I think yeah, I see this continuing. To be honest, I'm not sure where it's going, but you'll probably see a $2 in the next week or two. I mean, everything's looking bullish right now, to be honest. So that's looking good. Let's see. We go back here. That's looking real good. That's looking real good. Might have to throw a freaking what's that? Open up a long on that. So we got Hyper Liquid here on KuCoin. So you can buy ENA on Binance, guys. This is a new chart. This is how the daily looks. So Hyper Liquid is one that's on a dip right now. Ran all the way up to about $35 on December 22nd. We came back down. Came back down about 30%. I mean, we came down lower than that, honestly. About 39%. We've already retraced a little bit, about 5%. Hyperliquid is on a dip, guys. If you guys, are into these top tens, you can already see NA has already started moving, but Hyperliquid is on a dip. There's not much info on this chart, so I can't really give too much info on it as far as, like my analysis or what I do. Let's see what we can see here. This is the hourly. I mean, but like I said, this is something that's on the dip. I would grab this right here. I mean, because I mean, what are you gonna lose? I mean, it's what, 5%? This is obviously the low. I mean, it's what, 12%? So you obviously want to get an entry here, but entering now, and if it goes down to about here, you want to just DCA because this is obviously gonna bounce, and bounce back up to about $36. And when it does, you're gonna be crying. So that's about 40%. So I'm actually gonna add this. I'm gonna put this on my how do I watch this? I'll watch because I like this. Put that down there. Okay, what's next on the list? Let's see. Let's try to work through these a little bit quick. I don't want my video to be too long. Virtuals protocol. Okay, virtuals. That's one that's many people are talking about. All these YouTube guys. Virtuals, guys. You gotta get into virtuals. Shut up. If you guys want to skip all the nonsense, just get on Twitter. I mean, a lot of these guys are getting all their alpha from Twitter and taking it to YouTube, just copying and pasting stuff, or you know what I mean. So just get on Twitter and you'll have all the alpha for yourself. I had to learn this. I had to learn this too. All these guys on YouTube, they're getting everything from Twitter. Everybody on Instagram is I don't know where the fuck they're getting their information. They're getting all information from YouTube. So it's like it goes it goes Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and then TikTok is like it's kind of in its own lane. With Instagram, it's kind of in its own lane because you have different demographics on TikTok. Um, people going live and shit, new people who have no idea, people who only hold Bitcoin, people who only hold Doge. I mean, there's so many different kinds of demographics of people who like trade, who are into crypto, and most of them don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Most of them don't have no clue about and shouldn't be telling nobody about anything. They should just be trading and shutting the fuck up because they don't know any. Let me stop. Let me stop before I get. I can't be cursing too much on YouTube. Anyways, they don't know what they're talking about. So, um, but that's who you want to listen to. That's on you. This is the hourly. I mean, this looks good. I mean, like I said, man, this thing's been climbing. I mean, look at the trend. I mean, we're uptrending. I mean, look at this. I mean, when you start trading patterns, I mean, it's obvious what's happening. We're uptrending. I mean, then we hit a big bounce right here. We went up. We broke past this, this level of resistance right here, and at about $4.35. Now we're sitting on it. We're trying to flip it to support. I mean, if we're able to flip this to support, then I mean, we continue to rise from here. I mean, that's what I see. And right now it's coiling, so that's a nice 20%. I mean, it's coiling up right here. So like I said, I'm not somebody. Like I said, I'm somebody who I don't play around. Like I'll take a trade right. It wouldn't be for much, but I'll take a trade right here, and I'll set my stop loss right here. I'll take a trade on this because it's an easy trade. Like it's coiling up. I mean, you see it's coiling up. It wants this support. It wants this at support. It wants this level at support right here. So all you do is take a long right here. So not financial advice. That's just what I'm looking. That's just what I'm. Don't do what I do. Don't do what I do. You know. Anyways, that's it for virtuals. I don't want to do too much. What's next? I'm low key coming up with some nice long plays with making this video. Thanks, guys. Let's see, Jupe. You're gonna be like, oh no, that's not a good long. Let's see. With this right here, boom. Okay. I'm quick. I mean, I'm quick. I'm very quick. It's just, I've been doing this a little bit, a little while now, so it works for me. You know. Same thing. I mean, Jupe wants 95 cents. Wants to flip it at support. It just kind of bounced up from about what 78 cents. I mean, that's where you want to catch these tokens. I mean, it was trading down here for the longest. So I mean, you could have literally traded this up and down. I mean, it's just buy dips. I mean, it's not that hard once you start looking at the patterns and seeing what's actually. But this is not happening like on like the hourly or like within 5 minutes. This is happening over months, right? But it's all about just buying the dips. So with Jupe, same thing. It's once 95 cents at support. Once it flips, I mean, it's gonna head back up to. I mean, I'll long everything right now to be honest. This is a long tool. You just buy spot. Same deal. I mean, making videos doing TA now. I mean, I guess it's. I'll probably get into more videos about learning how to do TA and try to get my book out there as far as like my pattern trading book publication. But I want to say it's a lot easier now because there's things are so bullish. You know what I mean? Like we're not in the bear market. It's hard to tell when things are gonna start popping again because the charts are just kind of flat. With this. this thing, if it doesn't flip this, obviously we're at the oversold on the RSI, so we might come down. Um, but if we flip this to support, then that when we come when we come down here, that's not gonna be like a drop down, right? It's gonna probably just start coiling up and get ready to start ascending towards this, this new level of $1.30. So I mean, yeah, that's pretty clear cut. I mean, let's see what's next. Jupe. Let's see. I couldn't find G2. I was looking for it on here. I don't know if I'm on. Maybe I gotta look on the. Let's do Ton. I gotta start doing live so I can get my live stream hours up. Let's see. Same thing with Ton. I mean, some of these charts look the exact same. I mean, if you look at it with the other chart we just looked at, I mean, it's the exact same thing. It looks good though. I mean, it's a good looking chart. I mean, it's a good looking chart. Let me see. Uptrending. I mean, long as it's uptrending, you know what I mean? As far as like, higher highs and lower lows, then we're good. So you buy this here, it bounces. I mean, and you write it up to $7, 20%. So I mean, it's not hard, guys. I mean, the time is a long hold for me, so I'll probably hold time until it gets to price discovery, which is after $8. I mean, too easy. Let's look at all of these tokens. Look great. Solana. If you're not already in them, I don't know what you're doing. You should already be in, honestly. If you're not in, you still have a chance to get in if you're not in. I mean, not financial advice, but there's definitely still time, for sure. These things are about to pop, but this is when you want to get in right here. Like, this is why you want to be in a bear market. Look at that. $19 Solana. There's no way. If you get in right there, and I was here, but I was working and grinding. I wasn't putting money into crypto. I was working and doing other stuff, building. Yep, Solana, it's like I said, man, about the new all-time highs. New all-time highs coming for Solana. I mean, all you gotta do is hold that thing. It looks amazing. And let's see, what else we got? What else we got? Is that the last one? Oh, we got Chainlink, and then we got Ondo. Take a look. All the charts look amazing. If you guys aren't seeing that, I don't know what to tell you. It's clear. It's as clear as day. You guys, I mean, at this point, just I don't know. Pick your favorite token and I mean, just write it out. Don't try and I mean, I have a trading bag, so I have a bag that I'm like I'm taking longs with, I'm taking shorts with, but I have spot bags, I have meme bags. So I mean, you want to just it depends on like how much capital you have to allocate. If you don't have much capital, you don't have to play memes. Um, you can like just pick your favorite altcoin and just I would and just go all in on that one coin as far as like DCAing on dips have like a set target, like like VRA, like Chainlink for example. You can go all on Chainlink and just write it up for like $50. You know, same thing with this. This looks good. We flip $1.62, and I mean we're heading up towards 213. We flip that, and then we keep going. But it could always range between here. But buying here is ideal. Let's see. Last one is Link. I think I already have Link on here because Link is a big one for me. So same thing with Link. I mean Link is at $23. I haven't been buying Link to be honest. I should have been buying way down here. I don't know what I was thinking, but I just started buying Link yesterday. Like I said, this is one of my runners for this cycle, and yeah, so $52 all time high. I think for Link it is might be more than that, but I'm holding Link this bull run. So charts look amazing, by the way. Like I said, all the charts look the same if you're paying attention. So we'll leave it there, guys. Video is 20 minutes long. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed. Watch the whole thing full through. Because if you did, you're probably gonna, I don't know, make some cheese. Who knows? But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's your grandson.